Hi guys, this is my next video for Internet Routing Protocols Lab. This is video about configuring OSPF version 3 in IP version 6. OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First, and this is the version 3 of the protocol. And the IP addressing method which we are going to use here is IP version 6, that is Internet Protocol version 6, which is 128-bit capability, and it can address so many number of systems or IDs. It will give number of IDs, and here is the given topology for which we have to configure the network. And there are three areas given, which is area 0, that is with the area ID 0, and this is with area ID 1, and this is with area ID 2, which is directly connected. Router from area 0 is directly connected to a router from area 1 and area 2, that is this router RA, which acts as connecting router between area 0 and area 1, and the router RC, which connects area 0 and area 2. Addressing table is given for this topology is the addressing table, which is IP version 6 address, and there is a link local address is given, and the gigabit addresses, gigabit Ethernet addresses are given, and the serial addresses are given. Objective is to configure OSPF version 3, that is Open Shortest Path version 3, with different areas, and verify multiple area OSPF version 3 operations. And here's the configurations commands for version 3 OSPF, that is RA configure. This RA comes, which they have given in a name for router A, which is RA, and configure IP version 6 unicast routing. In IP version 6 they are using unicast routing method. Processing ID for this is 1, router ID is 1.1.1.1, and this is the configuration steps for advertising each directly connected network in OSPF version 3, that is interface ID. Interface ID is given here, and IP version 6 OSPF 1, this is processing ID, which is mentioned over here, and this is area. For the area 1, these are the commands given, and this is advertising 3 directly connected networks, and this is in the router RB, and then in RC with the OSPF ID as 1 and router ID as 3.3.3, and for there will be connected advertised for other 2 directly connected systems. And now we have to verify the multiple area OSPF version 3 operations. These are the show commands to examine the current OSPF version 3 operations. There are totally 5 commands. Let's try these commands with Cisco Packet Tracer in this given modules. stands for the command IPv v6 ospf. It comes ospf version 3, and the ID and the router ID is shown here. Next command, ospf version 3 route. To see the routing tables in this router, yeah, it shows the routing table and the routing ID for this router. Let's take about the next command, ospf database IPv6. Show IPv6 ospf data DABASE. Yeah, here is the database for this router. And the next command is IPv6 ospf interface, and here's about the details of the interface that which is connected in this router. And next, neighbor, NEIGH, and these are directly connected neighbors to this network. Let's check the ping. It's successful, and from this network to this network it is successful, and from this network to this network these are not directly connected, this is also successful. This is how to configure IPv6 ospf version 3 using IPv6. Thanks for watching.